wanting to see if that works. It's flashing red, and I wanted, because I found a way of taking the audio off this camera, splitting it from the video, and putting it onto that video there, which just syncing the sound together like. So right, you've got your visor up, I suppose, but so I've got to try and do that. Got a nice new barn anyway. So what's this place called? Have we been down here before? I don't know. No, some biggish houses down there. Hartington Hall. Oh. We've been here before. No, I don't think I have. Oh, well, you learn something new every day, don't you? Oh, you think you've been here now? No. Where are we? Oh yeah, we are, aren't we? Yeah, of course we are, yeah. Yeah, we don't want to come down there, don't we? Hey, well, you learn something new every day. Apparently, this is, can't imagine this as being a cavern millions of years ago, and this is supposed to be the roof that we're riding on now. So they say. It's fact. It is fact. It's in a book. It's fact, it's in a book. It's got to be right. A bit in the high peak. Well, we'll see what delights you can eat. Nice space here. Can I get up in this car? Oh, you know, I can't. Yeah. I wonder. Look at that place. It's an ore house. Oh no, it's a lead ore house. Not a ore house. Yeah, no. I thought it was an ore house, but actually it's a lead ore house. From a fair while ago. Ah. It's like a little jail you'd put people in. Never mind. Ah, there's a road to come in there. We shall be on our way. I was going to fly my drone there, but never mind.